x to be equal to 1 plus root 5 all over 2, and you're required to find x raised to the power 12. Now this is how we will do this. Okay, recall that a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Hence, x raised to the power 12 can be equal to x raised to the power, alright, 2 multiplied by 6, which is equal to x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power of 6. Alright, moving on, we now have that x raised to the power 2 will be equal to, so x raised to the power 2 is equal to 1 plus root 5 all over 2 or raised to the power of 2. Okay, this is now equal to 1 squared is 1 plus root 5 squared is 5 plus 1 times root 5 is root 5 times 2 is 2 root 5 all over 2 squared, which is 2 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 2 root 5 all over 2 times 2. Alright? And this is equal to 2 into 3 plus root 5 all over 2 times 2. And this now becomes equal to 3 plus root 5 all over 2. Okay, so this is our x squared. Now we are required to find x raised to the x squared raised to the power of 6. Alright, so moving on, let's say let x squared be equal to y. Alright, so to make our work easier, so we have to find y raised to the power of 6. Since x squared is equal to y, our y is now equal to 3 plus root 5 all over 2. Alright, we're required to find y raised to the power of 6. Okay, so y raised to the power of 6 can be expressed to be equal to y raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 3. Alright, hence y raised to the power of 2 now be equal to 3 plus root 5 all over 2 or raised to the power of 2. Alright, so we now have this to be equal to 3 squared is 9 plus root 5 squared is 5 plus 3 times 2 is 6 times root 5 is 6 root 5. Alright, so we have 6 root 5 all over 2. This is now equal to 9 plus 5 is 14 plus 6 root 5 all over 2. This is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3 root 5 all over 2. 2 strikes 2. So our y squared is now equal to 7 plus 3 root 5 all over, sorry, this is 2, because what you had here is 2 squared, which is 2 times 2, and we had 2 times 2, and then you have 2 left here. Alright, sorry for the mistake. Now moving on, we now say from here, let y squared equals z. Alright, so we've established that y squared is equal to z. Alright, hence, from what we had before, we said y squared all raised to the power of 3 will now be equal to z to the power of 3. And recall that y squared is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5. Okay, all over 2 all raised to the power of 3. Alright, now this becomes equal to 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So we have 8 here, and then we have 7 plus 3 root 5 all raised to the power of 3. Alright, now this is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 root 5 all over 8. Alright, this is now equal to 7 squared is 49, 3 root 5 squared is 45, 7 times 3 root 5 times 2 is 42 root 5. Okay, multiplied by 7 plus 3 root 5 all over 8. Alright, now this becomes equal to 49 plus 45 is 94 plus 42 root 5 all over 8 multiplied by 7 plus 3 root 5. Alright, and this becomes equal to 2 into 47 plus 21 root 5 all over 8 multiplied by 7 plus 3 root 5. Alright? This becomes equal to 47 plus 21 root 5, alright, over 4 into 7 plus 3 root 5. Alright, now this becomes equal to 47 times 7, which is 329, plus 47 times 3 root 5 is 141 root 5. Okay, plus 21 root 5 times 7 is 147 root 5, plus 21 root 5 times 3 root 5 is 315 all over 4. Alright, and this becomes equal to 329 plus 315 plus 141 plus 147 root 5. Alright, all over 4. And this becomes equal to 664 plus 288 root 5 all over 4. And this becomes equal to 4 into 166 plus 72 root 5 all divided by 4. And finally, we now have the answer to be equal to 166 plus 72 root 5. And this is equal to z raised to the power of 3. But recall that z is equal to y squared. Hence, z raised to the power of 3 will be equal to y squared all raised to the power of 3. But then y squared is equal to x. Y is equal to x squared. So this becomes equal to x squared all raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So you have x raised to the power of 12. Alright? Hence, x raised to the power of 12 is equal to 166 plus 72 root 5. Thanks for watching.